After spending $500,000 between smart and standard shopping campaigns, I had to stop all my campaigns because it was bleeding money and I was in loss heavily. It's been over a year and I'm thinking of restarting again. Do I need to start from scratch again and start standard shopping campaigns before I do any smart shopping campaigns? Since my conversion data is more than 1 year old. Wow. Okay. I don't get speechless, but on this occasion, I am speechless as to how come you spent $500,000 and you made a loss. And why are you starting again? Because have you come into a bit more money? But the thing is, Rishi, and I'm not trying to embarrass you in any way. Okay, you made a mistake and you could afford to spend this money. That's fine. You know, I've seen accounts spending 5 million. So what you need to do is to learn from that mistake. What went wrong? Was it the Google Ads campaign? Was it the offer? Was it the product? Was it the price? Was it the landing page? Until you don't have that funnel mapped out and see where the leakages are, you're going to make the same mistake again and you will blow away another 500K. So it's not a case of starting from scratch. Yes, you will be restarting the campaigns or starting new ones. But you really need to sit down, look at your funnel, look at your projections. Like I said earlier on, you know, each step of the funnel, you map it out, look at what conversions or conversion rate and the click cost per click you can afford to pay to be profitable. If you need to test something new, you could quite easily get the data within a few $1,000s, not spending, high six figures. So I wish you all the best, but please don't make that same mistake again, because if you do it over and over again, and also smart shopping, instead standard shopping you can't run anymore because they have all been merged into Performance Max. So now that is another beast you need to tame and get it right this time around. Also, if you are focusing on shopping campaigns, look at your feed, optimize the feed so Google knows that what you are selling, if it's an Apple or an Orange or an iPhone, yeah, optimize the feed and you should get results, because you are spending quite a bit and you need to test it thoroughly, or at every possible angle you need to test and get the results which you need.